Hey, I'm a heating technician. You ever buy that piece of equipment, put it in, it doesn't work, can't find anybody to help you? I've been there. Well, I tell you what, at Rural Energy Enterprises, and we are the distributor of Toyotomi products, we are always here to help you. We've been in business for over 30 years. We have a great technical base, fantastic website, and our new YouTube channel that I really hope you subscribe to. And by the way, we are always open to comments and suggestions on how to build a better YouTube channel for you. So please subscribe, and looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Have a great warm heating season.